Hello once again, this is Alex. Welcome back to your RealEyes Displays training. In this video, we are going to do a pages overview. We'll discuss adding a page, copying a page, adding from a sample page, adding pages from other dashboards that you have control of. We'll go through the folders, how to store the pages, and searching through the pages with the search bar. And finally, we'll end with how to set a page into portrait mode if you have portrait or vertically mounted TVs. So the first thing what we are going to do is add a blank page. When you click the Add button here, you'll notice there is a blank page button. Very simple. It will immediately drop a new page into your catalog where you can give it a name. Whenever you click on a page, different page options will appear. If I click the Edit button, that will bring me right into the editor where I can then update text, change animations, add in different apps, and other information which will be explained in other videos. Or by clicking on the page, I can copy the page, which will then create a complete clone and add the word copy after it. Once I click on my copy, I can use the rename button if I would like to give it a different name. Now this is a completely new copy and I can edit it just like a completely independent slide. Lastly, once you click on your page, the delete button is right there, obviously, to remove it from your catalog. Let's look at one of the other options that you can add in here by clicking the Add button. We're going to skip the From Other dashboard for right now, but when I click on Sample Page, this will open up a catalog that allows you to select from pre-created slides that are already pre-built with widgets and other information for you, and you can easily drop them right into your catalog. Click right on the slide that you want, click Use Selected Page. In a second, it will copy it, where then you can click on the page and click Edit. And now you will see a pre-created slide that you can easily change the text or change any of the elements within it as well to show up on your display. Next, by clicking the Add button, if your user access level has access to multiple dashboards within your account, and again, a dashboard is simply like a sub-account with different channels in it. So a college campus may have different departments, each with different accounts like this one. When you have access to multiple dashboards, you will see them in a drop-down here. In this case, this user has access to Department 1, 2, and the main dashboard. If you do not have access to multiple dashboards, you will not even see this drop-down. And also, you will not even see the From Other dashboard within your Add Select menu here. But if you do, you can click right on it. And then you can select to see the page catalog of the other dashboards. So if these are other departments of information, it is a great way to trade information back and forth between departments without having to recreate everything or recreate the wheel for different information that may go to different areas. So for example, I'm in Department 1's catalog right now. I would like to copy their eco-friendly template here. Click Use Selected Page, and it basically copies an independent copy, a clone of that slide that I can schedule and use in my own playlists freely. I can click right into it and edit all of the elements within the editor itself. Keep in mind that you need to have access, your user will need to have access to multiple dashboards in order to make this happen. However, if you are a user inside of an enterprise account and you do not have access to other dashboards, but you would like to pull information from them, you may talk to one of your admin users who actually can copy information into the accounts for you. So for example, if you see something on a TV, this eco-friendly template that you liked, you can tell that admin user to copy it into your display for you on your behalf. Now let's talk about searching and folders. Searching is very easy. Right here is the search bar. This will search your entire catalog and also multiple folders, however many layers deep that they may be. All you need to do is type a couple of letters, and in real time it will search and pull up any of the search results for that term that you have typed in. So if I type in water, I want to find that water slide. It will easily pop up. Or the eco slide will also pop up. So use this to your advantage. It is very powerful. It is very quick. And especially if you do keep a lot of slides within one folder and you do not want to go through multiple pages to find it, just hop in and type your search term right in there. Now folders are a little bit different inside of this account. But once you learn how to use them, they're actually quite easy and will keep you organized. Now, a lot of times what you will see is you might see this say main folder here, but you also might see this just as your regular pages. This will be named here instead of main folder. What you can do to add a new folder, I have already added one, is to click right on it and select new folder. Let's call this eco-friendly because we're going to put that slide in here. Now, if you have multiple folders, the nice thing is that when you click this right arrow, obviously you can see I have a fitness folder in here and an eco-friendly folder. If I click right on it, I now see there is nothing inside of this eco-friendly folder. I can go ahead and even add another layer deep. And now, once I create it, I will be within the eco-friendly folder number 2. Obviously, to move back to this one, I will click right on this eco-friendly folder, click open, and now you'll see this one disappear as I navigate my way backwards. So the one thing that we need to go through now is how do you move slides into those folders? Because if I grab this eco-friendly slide and try to move it in there, I can't actually drop it into the folder. It doesn't appear when I drag it. So what I need to do is use this check mark for show extra path to drag to. This will give me a place to drag that slide to. So now I can go into my eco-friendly folder, or even if I want to go that second level deep and drag my eco-friendly slide right into that folder, now it will disappear and move into that folder. So a simple way to remember this is the top bar is where you are or what you are currently viewing. The bottom bar is where you would like to send information. So remember, top bar is where I am, bottom bar is where I'd like to send pages. So let's go ahead and open up that fitness folder and let's drag the fitness slide into it. Now, let's navigate over there so we can see our folders within themselves. If I click on my eco-friendly layer number 1, there's nothing here, but I move the slide into the eco-friendly number 2 folder. Now, since I am actually inside of the top bar in the eco-friendly 2, I see my slide that I added in. If I would like to navigate right into the fitness, I can click the fitness folder, and now since that's selected on the top, I can see all of my fitness slides. To go back to my main folder, click right on it and click open. Pretty simple. Now the last thing that we're going to go through in this video is how to set a slide to portrait mode. If you have portrait mode displays or vertically mounted displays, you can click into a slide and click edit. From your editor, you can click the gear on the bottom left. And the first page property you see on the left is ratio and orientation. You can click that down arrow and click 9:16 vertical. You'll notice that the canvas of the entire page now is very tall, so that this will now fit a vertically mounted display and all of your graphics will show up nicely fitted to it. That concludes everything we want to cover in this video. Tune in for more design elements and other apps that can be added in future videos. Thank you.